Stop missing out on opportunities. Join NABARD as an assistant manager. Grade A. Are you 21 to 30 years old with a diploma, degree, or PG diploma? You might be eligible. Application fees are Rs $850 for General, OBC, EWS, and Rs $150 for SC, ST, PWBD. Pay via debit, credit cards, internet banking, IMPS, or mobile wallets. Key dates to remember. Applications open July 27th and close August 15th, 2024. Preliminary exam on September 1st. Exciting vacancies in chartered accountancy, finance, IT, agriculture, animal husbandry, and more. Ready to apply? Visit NABARD's official website, register, and create your login. Fill the form, upload documents, pay the fee, and submit. Don't forget to print it out for future reference. Seize this chance to join NABARD and start a rewarding career. Apply now. For a detailed tutorial, check out our YouTube channel, ITHacksCareers. We've got you covered.